Hello students, now once again we are here to know about another tissue, that is the muscular tissue. Now we have seen in the previous videos that first is we have seen the connective tissues, then epithelial tissues. Now we will see the muscular tissue. Now let us know about what is the muscular tissue. Muscular tissues consist of elongated cylindrical cells, isn't it? It is an elongated cylindrical cells called the muscles. Especially that is called the muscles fibers. Now these tissues is responsible for movement in our body. Whatever the movement are there, that is called responsible for the movement of our body. Now muscles contain special protein, isn't it? The muscles contain the special protein that is called the contractile protein. Now which contract and relaxation, whatever the contraction and relaxation is going on in our body muscles, they are because of this contractile protein, and that is why they call it the muscular movement. Understand? Now move to the next point. We can move some muscles by conscious will, isn't it? That means we can move our muscles with your own will. जैसे कि हम कुछ भी हाथ ऐसे कर सकते हैं, or whatever we have to move your arms, isn't it, like this? That means that is our will, and we can move it our by will. That means the present, whatever the muscle present in our body or the limbs, suppose I am talking about the limbs too, and when we want to stop them, so we can stop, isn't it? जब भी हम उसको स्टॉप करना है, अगर हम मुझे हाथ नहीं हिलाना है तो मैं स्टॉप कर सकता हूँ, ये हमारे कंट्रोल में है. दैट इज इन आवर विल और इन आवर कॉन्शियस. नाउ वी डिसाइड दैट व्हेन वी डिसाइड सच मसल्स दैट कॉल्ड वॉलंटरी मसल्स, इसी को हम बोलेंगे वॉलंटरी मसल्स, यानी कि जो हमारे कंट्रोल में है. These muscles are called as skeletal muscles as they are mostly attached to the bones. Understand? This particular type of muscle is called as the bony muscles, and they are called as the skeletal muscles also. Come on, next, move to the next point. That is, these muscles shows alternate light and dark bands. Okay, alternate light and dark bands, or we can say that the striations are there over the muscles, and when striations are properly, when we stain these particular muscles, okay, what we see in that, as the result they are also called as the striated muscles. तो हमें उससे striations दिखते हैं, bands दिखते हैं, striations दिखते हैं, तो हम उसको बोलेंगे striated muscles. Okay, now the cells of these tissues are long, cylindrical, unbranched, okay, and multinucleated, that is having many nuclei. यहाँ पे यही एक ख्याल देने वाली बात है कि वहाँ पे बहुत सारे मल्टी न्यूक्लिएटेड रहते हैं, हर सेल में थोड़ी थोड़ी जगह में न्यूक्लियस दिखते हैं, तो दैट इज वाई दे आर कॉल्ड एज द मल्टी न्यूक्लिएटेड, ओके, और द मैनी न्यूक्लियाई. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव ऑलरेडी नो दैट मूवमेंट ऑफ फूड इन एलिमेंट्री कैनाल, मूवमेंट ऑफ द फूड, जब भी हम खाते हैं एलिमेंट्री कैनाल के अंदर फूड जाता है, वो एक बात होगी. और द कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड रिलैक्सेशन ऑफ अवर ब्लड वेसल्स, आर्टरी एंड वेन, वो जो आर्टरी एंड वेन जो कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड रिलैक्सेशन होता है, ऐसे मसल्स के हम बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. और ये सब जो जितने भी मसल्स होती है, दे आर इनवॉलंटरी इन फंक्शन, इजंट इट? दे आर इनवॉलंटरी, क्योंकि हमारा उसमें कोई कंट्रोल नहीं होता. एंड they are called as the smooth muscles. Okay, these involuntary muscles are called as the smooth muscles. Now one more thing, I want to tell you that iris of your eye and ureter in urinary systems and bronchi of lungs are the very much best example of the involuntary function, that in this particular organs they are the involuntary muscles are there. Okay, now we study the structure of involuntary muscles. Okay, the cells are long with pointed ends and its shape is a spindle, यानी कि दोनों तरफ से pointed, it is called the spindle shape, and यूनिन्यूक्लिएटेड, यहाँ पे एक ध्यान देने वाली बात है, सिंगल न्यूक्लियस होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द यूनिन्यूक्लिएटेड हैविंग सिंगल न्यूक्लियाई. ओके, नाउ दैट इज वाई द कॉल्ड एज द अनस्ट्राइटेड मसल्स. यहाँ पे पहले बोला था स्ट्राइटेड मसल बैंड्स होते थे, यहाँ पे स्ट्राइशंस कुछ भी नहीं थे, कोई लाइट एंड डार्क बैंड नहीं है, इसलिए अनस्ट्राइटेड मसल्स. नाउ come to the another type of the muscles, that is the heart muscles. Now heart shows rhythmic contraction and the relaxation. ये आपको पता होना चाहिए कि heart rhythmic contraction and relaxation होता है throughout the life, isn't it? So this means that these are involuntary muscles are there and their functions are in involuntary, okay, and are called as the cardiac muscles. इसीलिए उसे बोला जाता है कार्डियक. कार्डियक इज रिलेटेड टू द हार्ट, isn't it? One more thing I just wanted to tell you in this particular point of view. Heart is a very delicate organ, isn't it? And the protection is very necessary as our brain have enclosed in the bony box and the meninges are there, isn't it? For the protection of your mechanical injury on or that. Similarly, heart is also protected with a very thin white sheet called as pericardium. Okay, this pericardium is very important. It can absorb all the type of mechanical shocks, electrical shocks and injury, so that your heart will be very safe. Understand? So this type of the muscles is called as the cardiac muscles. Now student, the last part of this chapter, that is the another type of the tissue is called as the nervous tissue. Now we will learn about what is the nervous tissue. Now as the cells possesses the ability to respond stimuli, isn't it? The cells, whenever if you touch the hot object or any cold object, or if I prick the pin to your skin, immediately you will start to respond to the stimuli, isn't it? However, cells of these nervous tissues are highly specialized for being the stimulated, और इसीलिए ये highly बहुत ही specialized cells होते हैं nervous tissue and transmitting the stimulus very rapidly. जैसे ही आपने टच किया किसी hot object को, it is respond to the stimuli very immediately, isn't it? So that means transferred, the message is transferred very immediately. Now from one place to the another place, and जैसे भी हमने इसको टच किया था और यहाँ से अगर टच किया तो यहाँ से जाएगा पूरा पहले ब्रेन में जाएगा, ब्रेन से जाने के बाद फिर उसको आपको रिस्पॉन्ड होगा, तब आपको पता चलेगा. तो दिस पर्टिकुलर टाइप वी विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस नर्वस टिश्यू इन 10th standard. So just have a look only, understand what is the nervous tissue here only. And it is composed of nervous tissues and the cells of these tissues are called the nerve cells. इसी को हम बोलेंगे, बहुत nerve cells के साथ बना हुआ रहता है, उसको बोलेंगे nerve cells, or we can also call it as a neuron, isn't it? Now a neuron consists of cell body, isn't it? It has a cell body with a nucleus. एक nucleus होता है बीच में, that is called the nucleus, and the cytoplasm is filled in that particular part. One more thing is present in the cell, that is cell body, that is called the Nissls granules are also present in the cell body. Okay, usually each neuron has a single long part called the axon. Okay, now axon is like a chain like structures and many short branch parts called them dendrites. Now student, we will see that how the neuron or the nerve tissues is there. First of all, the cell body and the branch, the cell body is branched structures, that is called the dendrites, and the chain like structures are shell, that is called a single long part, that is called the axon. At the end of the axon, okay, at the end of the axon, the knob like structures, 3 or 4 knob like structures are present. This particular end is called as the nerve ending. So when we start from the cell body, dendrites, axon, and ends the neuron or the nerve tissue with the nerve ending. So this is how we have described the structure of neuron. Okay, an individual nerve cell may be up meter or long, isn't it? 1 मीटर लॉन्ग हो सकता है. And many nerve fibers bound together by connective tissues. इसके अंदर में कनेक्टिव टिश्यू से बाउंड अप रहता है. ये ख्याल देने वाले हमने पहले ही कनेक्टिव टिश्यूज पढ़ चुका है. तो कनेक्टिव टिश्यू से बाउंड रहता है with makeup of a nerve, and that is why it is makeup of a whole that is called the nerve. Now nerve impulses allows us to move our muscles when we want to it. Okay, ये ख्याल देने वाली बात है. Nerve impulse allow us to move our muscles when we want to. Functional combination of the nerve and the muscle, यानी कि ये हर एनिमल के अंदर, दैट इज ईच एंड एवरी एनिमल वी कैन से दैट द नर्व इम्पल्स अलाउ अस टू मूव फ्रॉम मसल्स व्हेन वी वांट टू, and the functional combination of nerve and the muscle tissues is the fundamental to most the animals. हर एनिमल में यही कॉम्बिनेशन हमें देखने को मिलता है. ठीक है. And this combination enables animals to move rapidly to respond to the stimulus. इसीलिए हर एनिमल्स जो भी होता है वो रैपिडली रिस्पॉन्ड करता है स्टिमुलस के, एंड इट कैन बी वॉक, रन, वट एवर इट वॉन्ट टू डू. सो स्टूडेंट, here we completed the nerve tissue. That means we have taken the epithelial tissue, we have taken the connective tissues, we have taken the muscular tissue today, and lastly we have taken the nervous tissue. So here we completed this chapter, and I want your responses about this particular, how you I think I have explained in very detailed part, and you can know the everything about the this particular animal tissues. Okay, thank you, goodbye.